This error looks scary, but I will show you how you can fix it immediately. The problem is that when you want to run a simple command, you get the error, username is not in the sudoers file. It does not mean that your system is broken. Instead, it means you are not allowed to use sudo. I will show you why this happens. Here I'm logging in as a devEngineer. I'm logged in as a devEngineer now. For example, who am I? The ID is devEngineer, so this is who is logged in now. So if devEngineer wants to run anything as sudo, it is going to tell him that they are not in the sudoers file. So how can we fix it? We are going to add this person in the sudoers file. Now let us log back in as devEngineer. The command should be who am I? Now let us run the command again. Now we have fixed the issue. Now when I try the same command, I'm not getting the error message anymore, because now this user is trusted and can run commands as root. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share? Thank you.